Alright, this is my, excuse the fresh strings dangling, but just opened up the pickup cavity. You should see probably one of the pictures from that on my listing, just to show that it was not a botched route job. Also notes that this is a one-piece body that's not glued together, don't have wings, but yeah, just wanted to run through some of the tones you can get on this guy. For reference, I'm running a line 6 tube amp. It's the DT50-112. There's a Celestion speaker in there. I'm running a shotgun, we'll call it a passive, not phantom powered Canon mic, just pointing at the speaker, kind of off bias, and running my Pod line 6 500 HDX, kind of the 2/3 Dream Rig setup into the tube amp. So I have the modeled front end tubes powering, so you get a lot of the headroom. My kids are sleeping, so I'm not going to be able to get a whole lot of the volume that I'd like to get out of this thing, but that's typical whenever my family's home. As soon as they leave, this man cave turns into a little bit of a loud arena. So we'll start off with some cleans and kind of go from there. I'm not going to do a full comprehensive breakdown on this one. I'm just going to play just a couple of things. So this is I believe it's a Fender Reverb. Let's see, Blackface, Fender Blackface 212 emulation with some compression, a little bit of slap reverbs, kind of that slappy jazz tone. Get the neck. Tones back a little bit, a little buttery. And then the twangy pickup on the bridge. Mid-gain. This one's going to be a little lush, bunches of reverb, or a lot of reverb, a little bit of delay. So on the neck, volume up. the more modern gain sounds, where mostly I have ever used this for.